In this short video, I will show you how to add the bookmark button in Internet Explorer. Firstly, you need to have the favorites bar visible, so you need to right-click in the gray area at the top. That was a right-click, and just select favorites bar. This bar now appears at the top. We then need to go to My Bookmarks, and on the right hand side you've got Install Bookmark button. Click on that, click on Next, and then we need to drag and drop the white Add to My Bookmarks button. We're going to drag that into that favorites bar that we made visible. Just say yes, click on Next, and close. And now at the top in the favorites bar I've got Add to My Bookmarks. Whenever I find a resource that I want to add to my reading list, I can just click on that button and it will add it to my list. I hope you found that useful.